agility, keen eyesight, and reflexes. Alright, so we want to just stay there. Stay. Tumika.
Wow.
Stop. Well, looks like we're here at the Feline Break Control headquarters. Now here comes your knuckle. Hey guys, how are you? Alright, hello there guys. Good day. This is my partner.
Very big. Very big.
Can I have a big wave hello to everyone?
Yeah, very big.
Hello guys. Now you know guys, here at Ocean Adventure we care so much about the environment. And in our sea lions, one thing we require to help protect the ocean, which of course are natural home. So, we formed the Sea Lion Bee Patrol. Because today, we are going to see if Sophie there has what it takes to become a member of this elite group. So guys, are you ready? Let's see officer. Yes, we are ready. Good, now let's see you snap to attention. No problem. Attention! Sir, can you do this one more time? Sure, let's try it again. Alright, attention! Well, you know what, sir, it's been a long day of this today. English is a little bit tired. Joseph, to become a member, our sea lions must be strong and be physically fit. Strong and physically fit? Yes. Well, not a problem. Come on, please. How's that for strength? Well, what can you say about that, guy? Hey, what do you mean by that? Well, you know what, guy here can do better than that. Really? Yes. Do you want to see it? Okay, sure. Come here, guy. Step down and show these people how strong a sea lion can be. Another drum roll, please.
Oh!
Wow. That was really good, officer. But you know what? Sophie here can do that, no problem. Right,
Ate,
Sophie?
huwag maliko.
Hey, what do you mean no? I know you can do that, right?
Oo.
Hey, Sophie, come on. Stand up here and show them your one amazing represent.
Ikaw.
Go.
Hindi.
Hey, you don't have to roll that liver. So, Joseph, you need to tell us no 1%. Well, sir, maybe you're right. But check this out. Okay, we'll take that. I got some of the big hand for Sophie.
Clap your hands.
Now guys, we are Sea Lion Reef Patrol. That is because these guys are South American sea lions. They are not seals. But how can you tell? Oh, we know. The sea lions have big and powerful front flippers. They use this to swim with the water and laugh like a bird uses its wings to fly through the air. That's true. You know, guys, sea lions also have back or hind flippers that rotate, making moving on land so easy. Show them, guys. There you go. Now that we know how sea lions move, true seals, on the other hand, are a bit different. They have small front flippers, and their back flippers don't rotate. So on land, seals move a little bit funny. Hey guys, would you like to see Sophie's imitation of a seal?
Yes.
Would you like to?
Yes.
Alright, so step down here, Sophie, and show them a seal. That's a seal, alright? Now this is now a seal walk. And see what we mean. A little bit funny on that, right? The guys have a big hand.
Clap your hands
For that
like
great imitation. Now guys, to become a member, our sea lions must also be able to move quickly and gracefully through the water. So why don't we have Officer Jason together with Corey to demonstrate? Now guys, whenever you two are ready, hit it, please.
Oh!
try that again? Good job, Corey. Such style, such grace. Now guys, this time, we want you to focus your attention on the diving board up there. And ready your cameras? Because here comes Corey. Sorry. Good job. Joseph, what? You know what, me and Kai, we still think that Sophie there may not have one of the most important skills that any cadet needs.
And what is that skill?
Self-control.
Hey, what I'm talking about. You know what? Sophie here has self-control.
Really?
Yeah, would you like to see it?
Right, show us.
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. I will lay down Sophie here on that, just like this. And I will place 4 very juicy fish in front of Sophie's face. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now to do this, you can only hit the fish, not clap my hands, and only one at a time. So, let's start. First fish. Chicken is the same. Second fish. Okay, that's it again. Okay, what am I doing? You think you can go Sophie? And let all of you go one side. Come on, clap your hands. Another. See? Sophie here has self-control. Very good, Sophie. Alright, Sophie, you can hand her third fish. Now, see? Then one more fish to go and we are done.
The fish is fun.
Did you see the last fish?
No.
Yes? And there's Sophie. Hey Sophie, tell me honestly, did you eat the last fish? No! But a lot of people saw you. What happens to a bad sea lion? Show them. I don't know. But I suppose we're just kidding. We don't murder animals here at Ocean Adventure. Well, sir, you were right. Sophie here doesn't have any self-control.
I knew it.
It's really best if Kai here can demonstrate what self-control really is.
Yes, okay, let's try this. Hey guys, this time let's make it more difficult, okay? Now, instead on the floor, why don't we place a juicy fish on top of Guy's nose? Where he can smell the fish, but he cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Same rule applies, everyone. We can try to blow him. Come on, everybody. Louder. You can do better than that. Oh, he was really good at this. Okay, Guy, you can have your fish now.
Now that is self-control, guys. Look at the beat. He has 4 cards. Come on, everybody.
Okay, Joseph, I think it's time for you to have a little break and practice your self-control.
Yeah, you need to practice that 100 times.
You should. Now guys, to stay in shape, the Marine Patrol always wants to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility. And that is the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. Now guys, today we actually have a very special treat for you. Because today, we are going to give for a volunteer from the audience who think that he is brave and agile enough to compete against our
mo anong mangyayari sa'yo. Don't raise your hand. Hindi ko kung ano anong mangyayari sa'yo. Papakain ka nila.
Okay, now guys, while waiting for our volunteer, maybe explain the
natin
mechanics of the game.
nila.
So guys, this is how the contest works, okay? Now our volunteer will have to compete against Sky in a series of difficult tasks, okay? So basically, whatever the CIM does, our volunteer here has no choice, believe me, no choice, but to do it as well. Okay? So where's our volunteer? Hello, there's there. Come on. Join me here. Why don't you raise the audience and put your hands in please? What is your name?
Balik mo.
Robert. Robert. Okay. So do you know what you volunteered for, Robert? Okay? Ano lang kaya ba? Sorry, akala ko nagkakakas ka ng mamay. Okay. So like I said earlier, this is a competition. So whatever the CIM does, you have to do it as well. Yes. But for you to win, you have to do it better. Huh? So are you ready? How about you guys? Are you ready?
No.
No? Warm up. Okay, go. Ready na? Okay. First, we need to warm up too. Warm up tayo, okay?
Mami, ang bagal.
I like this guy. He's funny. Let the games begin. Round one.
Ayan na.
Robert, we are going to start easy on you, okay? See that? That's what you have to do. Yes, you have to win like that. Now, pagaling ha? Go, Robert. Let's do this.
Ano ka?
Alright, Robert. You know, alright guys, round two. And Jason, this time, why don't we, complicate things a little? Medyo mahirap na konti, okay? Para challenge you. Don't hit it on. We don't want him to get wet. Are you ready to do that? Okay, so water. Let's try something else, alright? Let's run and go. Come on.
Mababasa siya.
Let's go, Robert! Robert? Nakita si Robert? Okay, Robert. Good job, Robert. You're doing really well. You are now the champion. Good job. She scored the winner version of the prize. That would be that's yours. Now you may notice, Robert, that guy here swallows everything whole. Diba? But sir, you can chew yours first, if you like. Sige, go ahead. Pwede mo nang kuyain yan. It's good. Is it good, guys?
No? Good job.
Excellent teamwork there, you two. Congratulations. Guys, for your final test. The Marine Patrol always wants to be a true conservationist. So, why don't we share a few ideas and disguise on how we can take better care of our environment.
Now here's one. Over here would like to remind you not to throw your trash in the ocean, because that is your fault. Litter is only in the baby. Continue with a plastic bag in the ocean. Did you know that?
Walang putas na namin.
Yeah.
Pwede may
Sea lions, dolphins, and other marine animals can easily swallow plastic bags by poop and dog.
Yes. While fish lives, species of plants live in the ocean, in the plants, that's the marine animals each year. And those who get around their necks from swimmers, they cost way down.
Like a broken
Galing yan sa
slipper.
ulan.
Yes. But as to become a true conservationist, the Marine Patrol always practice the 3 R's.
Yes, and the 3 R's are right over here. Can you help me out, Sophie? Come on. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Very good. Well, the first R is reduce. Give everyone here their own water bottle and refill it. You wouldn't have so much of these trash to throw away.
Yes. And if everyone would bring their own canvas bag whenever they go shopping, we wouldn't have to cut so many trees and use a lot of plastic bags.
That's correct. And the last one is recycle. Recycle materials like aluminum, papers, and even a plastic bottle, just like this. And Sophie will show us.
Small fish.
So Sophie, what are you going to do with that plastic bottle?
Well, she picks it up.
Tayo ng ano eh. ng
And
sila.
then seems like she's taking it straight to the nearest recycling center.
Very good.
Now guys, as you can see, cleaning up after ourselves is such a simple thing to do. It helps our nature and our environment so much. Now, if our sea lions here can do it, so can we. Hey guys, would you like to say a few words, huh? Okay, go ahead and speak up.
Ano sinusubo nila sa akin? Sila yun? Ano nga sinusubo nila sa sila?
You heard that?
Kinakain ng sila yun. Yun talagang kinakain ng sila yun.
Hey, very well said. Is that all? Good job, Kai. So guys, did you understand that?
No.
No? Well, actually what Kai just said is that Sophie there has passed
CJ, sit
all
down.
of her tests so well, and she should become the newest member of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. What do you think, guys? Did Sophie pass?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
I think she did. So good job, Sophie. You are now an official member of the patrol. You too, sir.
Thank you, officer. Wow, Sophie, you did it. Good job. High five. Guys, up a big hand for her. Nice job. Well, sir, I know that being part of the Sea Lion Marine Patrol is all serious business. But do you think we should celebrate?
Yes, I think we should.
Yeah.
Hit it, Maestro!
Well, guys, put that together for Sophie and Kai. Come on, everybody.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Bigla silang nag-roll siya ng bongga po. Ano yung ganito niya na? Ano yung ganun-ganun siya? Yun. May hair siya? Ano tawag nun? Ano tawag din sa hair niya rito?
Guys,
Mami, bakit mo ba? Kasi talaga, ayan, nagbibigay ka na. Oh!
of our sea lions here at Ocean Adventure, we would like to thank you all for joining us here today. Guys, before you go, why don't you join us in a proud salute? Everybody! Salute to the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. We are working very hard to protect our precious marine resources. So please, everyone, do your part to help. Once again, thanks so much. Enjoy your stay. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.